Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States, with its headquarters in Ann Arbor, Michigan. It offers a wide range of Italian-American cuisine, primarily focused on pizza, along with pasta, chicken, sandwiches, and desserts. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Domino's, Domino's, door, me, nose, Domino's. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Domino's, Domino's, da, me, nose, Domino's. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Domino's, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.